Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I just got this foam cannon kit. So we're gonna like hook it up to my pressure washer, test it out. Comes with a bunch of different tips, which is awesome. So the gun handle fits to basically any standard pressure washer hose. So you just screw that in real quick. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then your foam cannon, basically make sure you attach the nozzle this way and fill that up with your favorite soap. All right, so we'll fill about halfway. And then we'll attach that. And then this basically snaps right on. Like that. And then that's going to control how much soap is going to be coming out. So let's try it out. All right, so quick and easy. We'll undo that and we'll put on a 15-degree nozzle. Let's see how quick it rinses off. Anyway, quick and easy. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Look at that streak-free shot on that truck.